Example 10 is the opposite of your concept of quadratic inequality. So in this case, right, they are actually giving you the answer for the quadratic inequality. So this is our quadratic inequality. So by right, if you still remember the process will be you're supposed to factorize, and then this is a small graph. So you're supposed to shade below the axis. So below the axis, and from the shading, right, in this case, right, it actually gave you this answer. So this is the thinking process. So this is the thinking process. We're going to work backwards. So usually after the factorization, we will have gotten the two brackets, and the two brackets will help us to get our x-intercept. So in this case, right, I'm going to work backwards. So the working backwards will be, I can tell the intercept. That means, right, the two x-intercept are x equal to -3 and x equal to 6. So technically, the two values, right, will come from the two brackets. So we're going to work backwards. So this is my bracket. So this will be my bracket. So I will have gotten the two brackets. So the two x-intercept will come from the two brackets. However, we realize that in this case, right, the coefficient of x squared is 2. So this will be my original function. So when I work backwards, I will have gotten the two brackets, and I got to factor in the coefficient of x squared. So from here, you do your normal expansion. So do your normal expansion, and you compare with the original. If you do a comparison, your answer will be P equal to -6 and Q will be equal to -36. So one of the common mistake will be some people will forget to put the 2. So some people, they will forget to put the 2, and then suddenly they decide to multiply in the 2. So you should have multiplied in the 2 in the first place before you do your expansion. So this is the working backwards. They give you the solution to work backwards, and you expand out to get the function.